Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Friday 10th April and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you about punctuation. That what is punctuation and how to use punctuation in different sentences. In English grammar we use different marks to clarify the meaning of the sentences. English grammar में हम sentences के meaning को clarify करने के लिए different marks use करते हैं and those marks are called punctuation marks. So in today's video we will learn the functions of those punctuation mark as well. So let's begin. Alright, now take a look at this one. The first punctuation is full stop. Then we have question mark, inverted commas. The other name used for inverted comma is quotation mark and इसको हम speech mark भी कहते हैं. So it is called inverted comma, speech mark and quotation mark as well. Exclamation mark, comma, semicolon. So these are the punctuation marks that we are going to discuss today. In English grammar we have around about 15 punctuation marks, but basically today we are going to discuss 6 of them. Full stop, exclamation, comma, dash, brackets or parenthesis, question mark, ellipsis. Yes, and you see these punctuation marks, but we are going to discuss only 6 punctuation marks today. So now I request you to open up your workbook. Yes, workbook page number 3. Alright, yes, workbook page number 3. This is the punctuation. This is our topic to be discussed today. So write down the day, Friday 10th April on the top left corner of the page. Alright, now I would like you to highlight this one title. Yes, name the following punctuation marks. You are given with these marks and you have to identify that. First one, yes, that is question mark, comma, semicolon, full stop, inverted commas, apostrophe. Right, so these are the 6 punctuation marks. You have to identify these marks, and now we will take a look at some of the examples, and we will try to understand the functions of these punctuation marks. So these are few sentences. You see that there is no punctuation mark used here, and so that's why the meaning of these sentences are not clarified. So let's read these. It is sunny outside. What do you think that? Which punctuation mark will go here? Yes. Full stop is missing. Yes. Because we put full stop at the end of a sentence. When we finish our sentence, we put a full stop. जब हम अपना एक sentence finish कर लेते हैं, तो हम उस sentence के end पे जो punctuation mark use करते हैं, that is full stop. Now, let's take a look at the second example. Bye, said Farooq. Yes, again the meaning is not clear. Who's saying bye? Who said bye? Right? Bye. So these are the words said by speaker, and who's speaker? Farooq. We will put speech marks or inverted commas. Yes, said Farooq. And full stop will go here. Then coming to the next example, why you look upset? Yes, we put question mark at the end of an interrogative sentence. वो question, वो sentence जो हमें question पूछ रहा है या हमसे कोई चीज़ information पूछी जा रही है, some information is being asked to us, या हमें लग रहा है ये interrogative sentence है, हम उसके end पे question mark use करते हैं. कौन सा punctuation mark use करेंगे at the end of the question? We use this type of question mark quite often. हम इसको almost daily use करते हैं अपने study related work में. Next, don't open the window. Yes, what do you think that which punctuation mark will go here? First of all, don't. Yes, this is contraction. Contraction means the short form. Don't is the short form of do not. And here we'll use apostrophe because apostrophe is used to show contractions and possessions. For example, if you need to denote someone's belonging, that these are Amina's coloring pencils. So Amina's coloring pencils, Amina ki belonging hai, Amina ki possession hai, so that's why we will use Amina's apostrophe, and then it will indicate the belonging of Amina. Don't open the window. Again, at the end we will put full stop. Next, you need eggs, butter, sugar and cheese. Again, मीनिंग जो है इस सेंटेंस का क्लैरिफाई नहीं है कि क्या चीज़ है यहाँ पे. एक लग रहा है कि एक सेंटेंस है. अगेन, at first of all you need eggs, yes, comma, butter, sugar and cheese. At the end, full stop. Because here in this one sentence we are given with a list of items. हमें कुछ items की list दी गई है, काफ़ी different things हमें यहाँ पे दी गई हैं. So उसको हम separate करेंगे by using a comma. Basically a comma is used to separate items in a sentence, or it denotes a pause, कि आपको sentence में pause देना है, एक वक्फा देना है. So then you use comma. Then let's read our next example, which is the last one. Sarah shouted. The dog was chasing them. Sarah shouted. Yes, here we use semicolon because one clause ended here, and the dog was chasing them. Full stop at the end. So यहाँ पे हमने use किया है punctuation mark, that is semicolon. Semicolon is that one punctuation mark which is used to link two independent clauses. जब आपके पास एक sentence की two independent clauses हैं, Sarah shouted, ये हमें complete meaning दे रहा है, and the dog was chasing them, and this part of the sentence is a complete clause. जब हमें two clauses को link करना है, two sentences के part को जो हमें complete full sense meaning दे रहे हैं with verb and subject, हम उसको clause कहते हैं. And to join two clauses, two independent clauses, we use semicolon. All right, so these are the examples for how to use punctuation mark in the sentence. I hope you have understood this. Now let's come to our notebook. All right, this is the notebook, how you are supposed to prepare this. First of all, you will draw a margin line and mention the day and date at the top left corner of the page. Write very neatly. Make sure that your work is really presentable. Classwork, unit number 1, the world in the wall, and topic, of course, certainly punctuation. All right, students, as you can see that I have used different marker colors, different felt tips here. You can use any marker colors, computer page, crayons, or felt tips to make your work look beautiful and tidy. These are different punctuation marks. Now I'm sure that you can identify these. This is full stop. It is called period as well. Question mark. Yes, apostrophe, inverted commas. Can you tell me that what is the other name used for inverted commas? Yes, speech mark and quotation marks. Yes, then comma and semicolon. And here are the functions of these punctuation marks. Used at the end of sentence. Yes, which punctuation mark is used at the end of the sentence? Yes, it's full stop. Question mark is used at the end of an interrogative sentence to form a question. Then apostrophe. Apostrophe used to show possession or contraction of a word. As I've shown you that this is the short form of don't, and here it shows the contraction, and so that's why we have used apostrophe here. And it is also used to write someone's belonging. For example, if you have to say that Ali's hat. So we have used apostrophe here because hat is the belonging of Ali and it is showing the possession. एक ऐसी चीज़ जो किसकी मलकियत है, किसकी बिलोंगिंग है, अली की. सो जब हमें किसी की पोजेशन या बिलोंगिंग को डिनोट करना है, we use apostrophe. All right, next inverted commas used for direct speech or enclose a quotation. As I told you that inverted commas are called quotation mark and speech mark as well. So ये किसी quotation को enclose करने के लिए और speech को denote करने के लिए use किए जाते हैं. Then we have commas. These are used to separate items in a sentence or pause in a sentence. As you can see that here we have used commas because यहाँ पे हमारे पास items की एक list है और हमने हर एक को separate करने के लिए जो punctuation use की है that is comma. Then we have semicolon used to link two independent clauses. So यहाँ पे आपने देखा कि two independent clauses थे हमारे पास और उसको join करने के लिए we have used semicolon. Alright, now students, it's time to look at the diary. So what's the diary for today? Complete grammar worksheet punctuation as homework in notebook. So this is the diary, and children, let me tell you that how would you do this. That's your homework. You see that I have prepared this worksheet for you. You will write down homework at the top, Friday, 10th April 2020, grammar worksheet. Punctuation is linked to grammar, so that's why this is a grammar worksheet. Topic, punctuation. Then you will write the statement. Rewrite the sentences with correct punctuation. You are given few sentences and I want you to rewrite these sentences. आपने इन sentences को read करना है और नीचे जो space आप देख रहे हैं इसमें आपने इसको दोबारा से write करना है. Rewrite means to write again. आपने इसको दोबारा write करना है. And you see the presentation, write very neatly. You see first you need to write the statement with black pointer, then you will use your fountain pen, blue ink pen and write very neatly. And you see the punctuation is missing. There is no punctuation given to you at all. So आपने इसको खुद punctuate करना है by seeing this कि कहाँ पे क्या missing है. How are you feeling? What do you think? Is it a statement? Is it giving some information or is it this statement is asking you something? अगर आपको लगता है कि ये question है, then put a question mark. Similarly, जहाँ पे आपको लगता है जो punctuation missing है, आपने उसको वहाँ पे put करना है. I hope that you will do it very well. All right. Now, thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home, stay safe.